Aviation. Since the dawn of wings, man has dreamed of flight. And what better extrapolates the power of flight than Canada's national bird, the phoenix? A symbol of a war-torn country that rose from the ashes of native conflict and civil unrest, brings you the Thunderbird. Longco Products proudly introduces the Thunderbird. The Thunderbird heats up the feeding process unlike any other birdhouse on the market. Our special blend of sunflower, honeysucker, and peanut butter create an environmental feeding magnet, irresistible from everything to sparrows to bald eagles. Ew! Looks like we got us a visitor. Patty, fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Talk about your blue light special. Looks like this flight has been grounded. There you go, Patty.
Thanks, Lewis. Why feed them when they can feed you?
Longco's Thunderbird brings you the original in-flight meal. For only 3 easy payments of $39.95, you'll not only get our electric bird feeder, but also a free copy of our tasty cookbook, High Voltage Vittles, which includes over 200 recipes for domestic fowl. And it's a real nice piece of work. It includes over 200 recipes featuring electricity, man's friend.
The Thunderbird. Brought to you by Longco.
Battery not included.
What are you waiting for? Pick up the phone now. Not available anywhere else. Longco not responsible.
Longco Products. Innovation at work.